The Heinzman Hurricane System is a true industrial strength pipe cleaning system designed from the ground up to eliminate your pipe cleaning problems. The Hurricane's precisely tuned nozzle head removes encrusted debris no matter what the impurity and leaves a thorough and even cleaning surface to the inner pipe. The Hurricane Control Unit provides the valving for delivery of high pressure water to the nozzle head as well as the rotation of the nozzle head. The Hurricane's rotating hose has two sets of synchronized drive rollers providing for forward and reverse movement inside the pipe as well as controlling the cutting speed of the nozzle head. The Hurricane is designed to provide 30 to 50 gallons per minute of water delivery to the nozzle head and generates water pressure at the cutting head between 3,000 to 15,000 pounds per square inch depending on the cleaning requirement. If you have tough pipe cleaning challenges, let the power of a Hurricane wash it away. A combination of water volume, pressure, and nozzle selection allows the Hurricane to easily handle hard and soft materials. The stainless steel rotation unit provides for synchronized rotation of the nozzle head as it traverses the pipe. The rotation head also provides for forward and reverse motion of the nozzle and is quickly and easily adjusted in a matter of moments using simple tools for direction and optimum cutting speed. The stainless steel protection sleeve provides a rigid, safe, and secure connection for the nozzle and rotating hose to progress into the pipe. Protection hoses range in size from 3 feet to 40 feet depending on the job requirement. The Hurricane Control Unit is made of stainless steel weighing approximately 80 pounds, sitting on top of wheels for easy portability. The control unit is designed to handle feeds from 30 to 50 gallons per minute from the pump with pressures ranging up to 15,000 pounds per square inch. The Hurricane has 3 ways of controlling rotation speed. It has a 2-speed transmission, a pneumatic controller, and a friction brake that can slow the rotation down to an almost complete stop. Air produced for the Hurricane is supplied by a compressor with a minimum capability of 35 cubic square feet. The pump system shown here utilizes a remote-controlled unit and a 2-man crew and can perform most jobs. A manual dump valve system can also be used but usually requires 4 people. The remote system provides additional safety factors during operation by allowing rapid shutoff. The remote shutoff keeps operators in a dry and safe environment for the operation of the Hurricane pipe cleaning system. The Hurricane system allows the complete capture and disposal of encrusted material and water, maintaining safe environmental standards for all your industrial cleaning needs.